Hello, once again, welcome to trendfunnelsuk.com, and this is Shola Olojede, and thank you once again today for joining me on a very important factor, which is ranking your YouTube video. One of the critical thing and most important thing people are now leaving that people are finding very hard, that why are they not ranking, is another very important thing for ranking is your keywords. That is, adding your keywords for the start, for the first three letters or three words, I would say, of starting your title. That is, let's take for example now. When you look at the, I've just got to a new product that just been launched now, and I've typed in viral news maker review. When you look at it, the reason why these guys are ranking for that viral review maker review is because they do have that newsmaker pro review. They have it on their title. You can see this another guy again, newsmaker pro review in their title. And let's take for example now, let's just look for newsmaker pro review on itself, and let's see what that gives us and see who is ranked. You can see now this guy is now ranking the top. It says newsmaker pro review and includes the rest of. You see that the keywords that is ranking for is starting with, it starts its title with its keyword, which is very important ranking factor. And this tells YouTube or Google what your YouTube is all about. This is something that is very important. Make sure if you want to rank for any video, make sure you are using your keyword as a start at the start of your title. Very important. Do not miss this out. This really helps. Anything you want to rank for, make sure you use your keyword. And another thing I want to also go through with you is now also adding your keyword in your description. If you, let's take for example now this guy, and I'm going to switch off the video now, okay? And you see now that he has, you can see again, he has his keyword in the initial start of his description before any other thing. Very important. The keywords that I started here is also started. This is one of the tools used for optimizing your video. So I would advise you, in once you want to create your video, make sure anything you've selected your keyword, that keyword needs to start with the title, and also you need to add the keyword again in your description. This tells Google that this is actually what you're ranking for before you can now be know that you are really optimizing very well for this. Hope this actually helps whoever, as I do like sharing this, and I hope that you like these video hints I've just shared. This is actually not for the professionals. This is not actually for people who are intermediate. This is actually for people who are newbies, because if you're a newbie person, if you're newly starting to create a video, one critical factor you need to put in mind is your keyword. Do not put it in the middle of your title. Do not put it at the end of your title, which you can, but the most important thing, you must put your keyword at the front of your title and also at the end of your title. Thank you very much, and I hope this really helps. And if you know anyone who you think this will be helpful to, please feel free to share with them so that they can really understand the importance of keyword in a title. Thank you very much.